Want to know how to create an email list in GetResponse and connect it with EverWebinar? If you're looking to take your email marketing and automated webinars to the next level, this is exactly what you need. Stick around until the end, and I'll show you how to set this all up so you can streamline your entire process. Plus, there's an exclusive offer at the end that you won't want to miss. Before we dive in, did you know that you can use both GetResponse and EverWebinar for free through the link in the description, along with some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better? Now, let's get started. First off, let's create an email list in GetResponse. After logging into your GetResponse account, head over to the Lists tab. Click on Create List, give it a name, and select your preferred settings. That's it. Now you have an email list ready to use. This list will be crucial when integrating with EverWebinar, so make sure you've set everything up correctly. Next, let's move on to connecting GetResponse with EverWebinar. Log into your EverWebinar account, and under the Integrations section, you'll find the option to connect with GetResponse. You'll need to enter your GetResponse API key. You can find this in your GetResponse account by navigating to the Integrations and API section, then click API. Copy your key, go back to EverWebinar, and paste it in the relevant field. That's how you can establish a seamless connection between the two platforms. The third thing to do is set up your automated webinar in EverWebinar. Once you've connected GetResponse, you can choose the email list you want to integrate with your webinar. Make sure to select the correct list that you want your registrants to be added to, ensuring your marketing efforts stay in one place. Next thing, let's talk about adding GetResponse email sequences to your EverWebinar registration process. This step is where you automate follow-ups, reminders, and confirmation emails. Once the connection is made, you can set up automated sequences that trigger when someone registers for your webinar. This step ensures your audience receives timely reminders and follow-ups, leading to higher attendance rates. The fourth thing to note is how to track the effectiveness of this integration. Both GetResponse and EverWebinar offer analytics to help you understand your email performance and webinar registrations. Keep an eye on metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and the number of attendees for each webinar. This data helps refine your strategy and improve the quality of future webinars. Finally, once everything's connected and set up, don't forget to test your entire system. Run a few tests to ensure your emails are sending correctly and that your registrants are added to the list in GetResponse. Double-check that everything from webinar registration to email follow-up is working seamlessly. So, now that you've learned how to create an email list in GetResponse and connect it with EverWebinar, as well as set up automated email sequences for your webinars, you're ready to take full advantage of this powerful integration. And remember, you can access both GetResponse and EverWebinar for free with the link below, plus get our exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.